Tell me like a Hellcat.
Hey guys, it's Friday. Today I have to go back to that unit where the washing machine had an issue. Apparently their kitchen sink is leaking underneath there. So I gotta go check that out. And I'm gonna go pick up the trailer now. And I'll see you there.
Coming like a Hellcat. Like a Hellcat.
Alright guys, I'm at the unit here now. This is the sink in question. I think it's leaking from under here. That's what the picture was anyway. So let's see. Yeah, it's leaking right here. That's just the seal. And the only thing I can hope for is that I can get that off without breaking anything. Well, I do have what I need, so it's not a big deal. Got it.
going to save this double bowl because they're better than the one I have. If this nut skips on those threads, it won't be good.
Oh my God, you are the devil. Stuck in the back of my head and I'm dead. I got the devil inside me and everything I see is red. Vision's blurry, I'm in a hurry, my skin is starting to shed quick. Call up the doctor, swallow some pills, maybe I'll wake up in bed. I'm a disaster, can I move faster? Honey, I'm over the edge. No fun is stopping me, I'm not your property, gotta take care of that ledge. My friends are dead, I'm losing my head, I gotta get off of these meds. I am unstable, willing and able, give you this body to pledge. Oh my God, you are the devil.
I'm going to loosen this nut, lift them both up, and hopefully that's going to give me enough to get into here because I'm barely in here. I need about a 1/4 inch. Hey guys, okay, I got that one all done up, so it's good to go there. Yeah, I can't wait for that plumbing tool, that new plumbing tool that's coming in. It's gonna be a game changer for me anyway, especially with property management and doing lots of drain cleanings and things. So I'll well, anyway, keep watching, and we'll see that probably next week sometime. Whenever it comes, I'll do like an unboxing, and yeah, we'll see you on the next one.